Would you fly your drone? Do you need obstacle avoidance? Can your drone actually avoid birds? Look at it. How many birds? How many times can a drone avoid this? Look at that. Well, maybe hundreds of birds out here. But that's a lot of birds. Just imagine what those birds can do to your drone. Interesting. Wow. I'm flying through drones here.
Alright guys, do not attempt this stunt. I'm doing it for you guys, so just watch this video.
Woo! Two! Oh! 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 They're going nuts! Wow. Whoa! Ah! Look at this! Woo! Woo! Mavic Mini 2 and Air 2 at the same time. Whoa! Whoa! Oh wow! All right, we go this way. Whoa! Whoa! I'm controlling this with my own hands. That's insane. Alright, let's go ahead and do this. Whoa! Whoa! Woo! Whoa! I'm going nuts now. Alright, let's go. Whoa! 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 Okay, let's go ahead. Here you go. Ah! Birds are going nuts. Oh! Whoa! Two drone. Okay, coming back down. Woo! Me too. Oh! Fly! Ah! Woo! Woo! Sport mode. Look at that. Woo! Yay! Woo! Nope. Aim. Whoa! Whoa! Woo! Speed. Ah. Woo! How you dodge these birds? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Woo! Whoa! 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 Woo! How low can you go? Oh wow! Whoa! Right there. Woo! 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 Whoa! Whoa! There are all birds everywhere. Look at that. Awesome. Wow! That was whoa! 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 Mavic! Whoa! Whoa! Speed! Whoa! Whoa! Flying into birds. Look at that. Whoa! Whoa! Woohoo! Look at that, birds, look at those. Wow, amazing. Whoa. Look at that. Woo! Oh, my sport mode. Look at that. Whoa, it's coming. Whoa! Woo, super speed. Look at this. Whoa, look at that. Whoa. 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 Ooh, yeah. Whoa. 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 Woohoo. Awesome. Look at the mini in the air too. Wow. You fly like that? Can you control your drone like this? Huh? Uh-oh. 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 Uh-oh.